There he is. Hey. Is traffic pretty bad?
No, I slept in.
Ryan. 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 Holy shit.
Yeah. Fucker, I jumped up.
Got some little footing piers that we're doing. 16 of them. 3 different sizes. Got all the bolts inside. We'll go take a look.
Same size pier, right? Just the plumbing in there?
Yeah, it's a smaller one. It should be right on this grid line.
And snap center line on it, right?
Yeah, that's what I was planning.
Okay.
That would be easiest, right?
Well, I think it'd be the only way because the numbers go to the center line anyway.
Yeah,
and then you know what's up, but I'm not really a big fan of the 2 underneath each side kind of deal.
No, and it's not like they're huge bolts. They're all small bolts, so it shouldn't be too.
And can we get a mixer truck in that? No?
Kelly said, yeah.
I bet it's like 14 foot. A 12-0-14.
That's pretty tall. Yeah.
Well, maybe in the gravel.
I got a little bit. I should just take everything off the center because I know the wall's got to be a little off here and there.
Yeah.
I got about a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch difference.
Okay.
From the wall, so I'm gonna go from the center. So that'll put us.
Okay.
Because that's how they're gonna build everything. Is gonna hook off.
I'm sure they're gonna run.
I got the
control line.
center.
That's what I would do. Can I see that really quick? Thank you. Hey, are you ready for this? I saw on Facebook, our town Reno.
Might be too. It's down below the top of it.
I just thought it'd be easier to grab once it's full of mud and sticking out more.
True, as long as we don't have. Yeah, I think it's pretty hard. I don't care.
That way, that makes up the grout pad difference. This is 1 foot down from the floor typically on tilt ups. For the diamond, you gotta come back and diamond it.
Go right out that door. There's some sandy huts right there. All right, we're getting square. Getting all our columns marked out, running everything off the center grid because our tilt-up panels are a little off. This older building, they're a little off. Stuff's probably moved 68.8. Getting our mats, and then our bolts go top of footings 10 inches below top of slab. So we'll get the laser out. We'll shoot it all. Okay, I'll get the laser out. I don't know if I unlocked those boxes. And we'll 10 inches below slab, but in case the slabs move, that way we're all the same. Just to be safe, it probably don't matter. They got 1.5 inches of grout to play with.
Yeah.
But that'll get us close.
Yeah. Kind of find a spot for all of them
without having to move. I don't think it'll happen. Maybe in the corner. Is there a spot the laser can hit every one? Right here, it'll do all of them except that one corner, which we can't do right now.
Yeah, because they got that footing in the way.
And you should set the points in the socket so it doesn't slide out.
Yeah, see if you can do it. Right here, it'll hit everything, right? Yeah. That lift's right in the way, huh? We can move the lift. Where'd those guys go doing that? They all left?
Right. They were here early.
Were they? It's a ½ inch above the dirt, the bolt is. That's what it says on the plans, ½ inch above.
Oh yeah. Shooting top of 2x4.
Correct.
That's what we want.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so put
let's
that
shoot
to there.
this right here and see if I'm too low where I nailed it.
I have two. I have top and
Okay.
bottom of it.
Oh,
That's
okay.
top, bottom. I told him just
Okay.
double check.
All right.
This is
Top
So
and
you're
bottom.
at 8.5. Now shoot this. I think I'm 1.5 inches too low. Right here.
to the bottom or top?
Top now. That's what the engine.
Good.
1/4 inch too high.
Perfect. Now,
Now I forgot what I was doing. I forgot my numbers. 25, 43, 1. These I'm just drilling into the wall. The rotor hammer. Throwing a 16. And a hard nail. We're good. I think we'll be good like that.
okay.
Buddy, we had OSHA class, or not OSHA, but CPR class last Thursday.
Right.
And that safety guy, he's talking about the saws. He goes, what's wrong with this saw? And he had a picture of a guy without the guard on it. And everybody's like, there's no guard on it. He's like, yeah, you could cut yourself. And I go, you can cut yourself with a fucking guard on it. He's like, yeah, but not. I go, no, you can cut yourself the same. I go, it's just a false fucking thing to make you feel good. I go, that's all bullshit.
When I first started, Skill Saw used to make a 6.5 inch. And we used to take the guard out and put a 7 1/4 in because you could cut through double plate.
Right.
Okay, and it would cut through the whole thing. You just knew where that blade was every time. And you knew when you put it down, you knew what was happening.
When I was a kid, I was 5th, 6th grade. My dad's tools, none of his saws had a guard on it.
Right.
He had because he could make steaks.
Yes.
You needed off to cut steaks.
Yes.
And so I grew up with no guards. And when the first time I'm like, oh, there's a guard for these? I didn't even know there was a guard.
I believe that.
That's just how it was. It was never on there. He goes, oh, but if somebody goes down for diabetes, he goes, you can give them sugar packets. He's all, this isn't a drug. I go, yeah, it is. He's all, no. He goes, it's not a drug. I go,
Anything that alters your
I go, it
state.
kills more people than anybody. I go, sugar is fucking insane.
Right.
And he's like, well, yeah, you're kind of right. And I'm like, I'm just being a jerk to be a jerk just because we're in here and I really don't want to be in here. All right, there's a footing on this one. We have to drill an epoxy, so we got to cut these off. Oh, I didn't leave you a tape. Sorry.
With that, you're all good.
Probably just set it right there and cut away. All right, good morning. Getting ready to pour our little piers. Supposed to have 7 o'clock mud. Got here at 6:30. Gotta wait for the inspector and the tester. Yeah, but we need to watch him. He should fit no problem. We gotta wait a little bit for that freaking tester. We got 2 trucks. It's like 11 yards. So this one has, I think, 6 on. We'll wait a couple more minutes and then we'll start. The one in the corner over there we had to change because there was a partial footing and we had to drill into the footing and that one got raised up.
Right.
But because they didn't want to knock the footing out. Then the one in this corner, they're offset and we ended up having to chip a whole bunch of freaking concrete out, everything.
Oh yeah.
Yes, we can pull them in. Just watch that roof. I don't know where York's at. He's usually here early. Beautiful. That's why I like keeping 2 chutes on it. Slows it down a little bit when it's coming down. Jim, hit right around, right here.
Right there?
If you can.
All right.
That's fucking insane.
No. I used to live in Golden Valley about 30 years ago. It was nice. Awesome.
Going home sucked.
Yeah.
I'm in Cold Springs.
Coming
It's
in.
just,
Well, coming in even.
it's still a lot of fucking traffic in the morning. It's insane how many people are.
Is that where you live, Cold Springs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to live there on the left side of the road. It's awesome out there.
Yeah. I love it out there, but just the drive's getting bad.
Yeah, right. It's stupid now.
That's 9. 9 of them out. We're not going very fast, but we're getting them done. Check pouring some. Still missing Brian, yours. Probably run out on this one, maybe the next one.
Come on, boy. You finally went to the wall ones and put them on the outside.
Yeah. What's that?
You got a wash out here?
No. There's a pile of concrete in the corner over here. Yeah, if you take it easy. See the dirt pile?
Yeah.
Next to it, there's a pile. Just kind of take it real easy. They ain't even fucking looking. Huh?
Pretty much gotta wheel the rest of them.
Yeah. What's that?
Space gonna blow that fucker off and keep on driving.
Yeah, not even fucking, not even care.
It's like, well, I got in. I mean, it's a good point, I guess.
Boy, his hopper wasn't up.
Oh, got
His hopper goes down. Hey, let this truck come out. Stop him.
Say, Nick, you want the ticket? I might stick around. Okay, we're done. Very good.
5 more.
All right.
Typical testers, they have to get as close as possible to deal with one wheelbarrow.
I did tell him, I was like, hey, that truck should be in there for a minute. If you want to sneak in, you fat fuck, you probably could.
He's like, I'll do that.
I was like me, my dad worked at Valley, 2 of my brothers, and my 2 sons work here.
Shit. That's awesome.
Oh, they got the holes a lot bigger than it was.
Go grab the saw, cut a square out there, and just go hold that in there.
Perfect. Yeah, it wasn't like that when we got this. They must have dug it out. There he is. Hey.
I just even stop and get donuts because I was too busy to get here. You want me to stay?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course. Is traffic bad?
Huh?
Is traffic pretty bad?
No, I slept in.
No, I'm just saying.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, well, I know you slept in.
You know how that. It's like a deal where I just jumped in the car and said, fuck, man. Hey, Jim.
Yeah.
Hey, I cut the fucker too big.
I say, you come in here and I'll just cut it and we'll put it a different way.
What's going on?
Oh, they dug this hole bigger. He's cutting the board. You can come dump.
Okay. Like that, huh?
Well, they dug it out more.
Oh.
It wasn't dug like that. Beautiful. Just cut it. See if we can just stab it.
Straight in.
Yeah. Can you reach?
I'm gonna cut it a little bit.
Okay, I'm dumping another. Go ahead, bring another one. Ryan.
Yeah.
Ryan. Ryan. Bring an empty one over here.
Hey, bring the empty wheelbarrow over.
I would leave it, but I don't want to run that short, so.
There, don't hurt.
Okay, thank you. No, they're gonna have to cut out more concrete. We had to chip that whole fucking corner.
Yeah, this whole shit's
All that.
on the way too.
Good, 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 good. Hold on. Yeah, Erasmo, his son works for him, and I made something for Erasmo, so he gave me this jacket, and it's just like a windbreaker, but it's fucking badass. It's got zippers under here for cooling, and
Right on.
it has technology, so if you get lost, you can fucking send it out.
No shit, huh?
So I use it to ride my side-by-side,
Right.
because it's just a windbreaker.
Right.
All right, on the last one. See if we got enough mud. We were waiting for you to do it this morning.
Yeah, how about it? I should have been here at 6:30 doing that. There's no doubt in my mind.
Mud got here.
When I woke up as soon as it was daylight, I said, mother.
Hey, watch the bolt. Okay. Mud got here at 6:30 too.
Oh, really? It's like, where's my cup of hot cocoa at?
He was back on unemployment schedule.
Boy, that ain't no lie. I was like, motherfucker, I jumped up. Look at it. I'm gonna be on time.
Pretty simple. Took us a little while to pour it. All went good. One guy showed up late, so he owes breakfast. Holy shit.
Yeah. How about it? It's all these drivers. My whole life depends on a driver. Imagine that. Okay, I'm going to get on the track. They're both praying. I'll throw them up.
Kind of sucks we've been working inside. My wife worked outside yesterday in the yard.
It's beautiful.
She's like, I was in a t-shirt all day and we're stuck in here.
Yeah. Hey, isn't that fucking the life?
Jim, I guess we'll strip these. You can go ahead and go to Johnny, I guess.
All right. Yeah.
Don't forget your saw.
Is it still heated or you gotta cover the heater?
No, it's heated.
All right. Yeah.
I think it's set at 51 degrees or something. Or it's set at 60. It was like 51 in here.
Who said that?
My old boss.
Oh. Yeah.
Nope.
Okay.
We're coming back tomorrow later. I'm pouring a couple walls, and then coming back and stripping this, I guess.
Okay. Doing 4. So pick up the stakes.
Pick up the stakes. All right. Please like, subscribe. We really appreciate it. Channel's doing great. Check out the merch. FrommBuilt.com.